Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today discuss about some EVS questions and answers for KG students. Here you can see the covered topics. The first section is questions about myself. What is your name? My name is Adi. How old are you? I am 4 years old. Where do you live? I live in Dubai. In which class do you study? I study in LKG. What is your father's name? My father's name is Bijesh. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Ramya. Do you have brother or sister? Yes, I have one brother. His name is Alan. Next section is questions about parts of body. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We walk with our legs. Our skin helps us to feel. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We write with our hands. Next section, questions about fruits and vegetables. Tick the vegetables and cross fruit. Here apple and carrot, then carrot tick mark and apple cross mark. Tick your favorite vegetable. Here tomato, brinjal, carrot and cucumber. Favorite vegetable is carrot. Tick your favorite fruit. Here watermelon, pineapple, apple and strawberry. My favorite is strawberry. Circle the fruit in orange color. Which fruit is in orange color? Yes, orange. Circle the first letter of the fruit given below. The fruit is strawberry. Circle S. Circle the vegetable are in red color. The red color vegetable is tomato. Write the first letter of the given pictures. Here broccoli, B, watermelon, W, tomato, T and pineapple, P. Which of the fruit comes in bunch? Answer is grapes. Which is the favorite vegetable of rabbit? Answer is carrot. Which fruit does not have any seeds? Answer is banana. Which fruit is called the king of fruit? The answer is mango. Which vegetable is purple in color? The answer is brinjal. Next section, questions about domestic and wild animals. Take the domestic animal. Which one is domestic animal? Answer is cow. Take the wild animal. Which one is wild? Answer is giraffe. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Which is the tallest animal? Which one is tallest? Answer is giraffe. Which animal has a long trunk? Elephant has a long trunk. Which animal is called sheep of desert? Answer is camel. Where do the wild animals like to live? In the jungle. Which animal is the king of the jungle? Answer: lion is the king of the jungle. Which animal has a long neck? Answer: giraffe has a long neck. Which animal is the largest land animal? Elephant is the largest land animal. Next section, questions about insects. Circle the insect. Here ladybug, fish and duck. Circle ladybug. Who gives us honey? Honeybee gives us honey. Which insect made a web? Spider made a web. Which insect has colorful wings? Answer is butterfly. Which insect is known as a hard worker? Ant, known as a hard worker. Which insect glows at night? Firefly. Next sections, questions about birds. Write the first letter of the pictures given. All, O, hen, H, duck, D. Who gives us egg? Answer is hen gives us egg. Where do the birds live? Answer: birds live in nest. Which is the biggest bird? Answer: ostrich. How many legs birds have? Answer: 2 legs. 2 birds can swim. Duck and swan. Which birds can see at night? Answer: all. Which bird can talk like human? Answer: parrot. Which is the national bird of India? Answer: peacock. Which is the national bird of UAE? Answer: falcon. Next section, questions about modes of transport. Name two road transport vehicles: car and bus. Name two air transport vehicles: airplane and helicopter. Name two water transport vehicles: ship and boat. Which is the fastest means of transport? Answer: airplane is the fastest means of transport. Which vehicle runs on track? Answer is train. Which vehicle carries sick people? Answer: ambulance. Next sections, questions about parts of plant. Which is the beginning of plant life cycle? Answer: seeds. Which part of the plant absorbs the sunlight? Answer: leaf. Which part of the plant is below the soil? Answer: roots. Which part of the plant makes seeds and fruits? Answer: flower. Which part of the plant grows first from the seed? Answer: root. Which part of the plant is colorful and attractive? Answer: flower. Discuss some other GK questions for KG students. How many days in a week? 7 days. How many months in a year? Answer: 12 months. Where do you throw the garbage? Answer: in the dustbin. How many colors are in rainbows? 7 colors. What is the color of sky? Sky color is blue. Where do you see traffic lights? The answer is on the road. Which is the biggest fish? Answer: blue whale. Which water animal has 8 legs? Answer: octopus. Which fish is star shaped? Answer is starfish. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. You can watch more educational videos. Thank you.